Time for Hot Wheels from around the world. As you might have guessed, this is Amoeba Toys from Italy. Amoeba Toys was purchased from Mattel sometime in the late 70s and started including the normal Hot Wheels line in their Amoeba Toy packaging in Italy. So this one's a 1978 Hotbird. I've already taken it out of the box. Number 2014 Hotbird. Does say something here. Made and printed in Hong Kong. This was 1978 there. You've probably all seen these little boxes, Amoeba Toys. They come in a baggie. You open the box, get the baggie out. I don't know if this is the original baggie or not. Kind of doesn't seem like it. It should open on the side, not. There's a really nice, brand new mint Hotbird. Hong Kong. 1977 it says. That's the copyright date. This is a new release for 1978. And here's something you don't see every day. This is a shipper box. This is what they would be shipped in the case in the stores. So basically they'd come with a full of boxes. Light on it. This one is a little rough, and it also doubles as a display stand. So we'll take that, pull our display stand out. That's why there's a lot of tape. People had taped it in the past. Flip up the box. Got your two-tiered display stand. It would be full of your Amoeba Toys. You would have these lined up all the way through here. I don't know if they would be out like this or like this though. I haven't seen them ever packed. They've always been opened when I've seen them. But anyway, that's what it would be. So you'd have your display stand for your Amoeba Toys. Amoeba Toys. Not exactly sure how to pronounce that. But yeah, there it is. This is your Hot Wheels from around the world. Today is Italy. Hotbird. My favorite casting. Do believe. Be hard to find something better than this. Maybe Supervan, but I don't know. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.